This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to see your usage limits on Claude. So I'm logged into my Claude Anthropic account. As you can see here, it will say something at the top once you're logged in. Mine says back at it Matthew today. We see Opus is selected here. We've got obviously our prompts here. We can select all our files there, and conversations and stuff are at the top. What we want to do is come down to the bottom. You'll see either a picture of you or an initial. I have the M right here. I'm going to click on that, and then we are going to click on settings. Now this will bring up this panel right here. So this is a new pop-up. It used to just be built into kind of the main background here, but this is the pop-up. And we've got general options right now. So we're in settings, this is general. And now we're going to come down about halfway down to usage. And from there we can see our usage. So current session, I have 0%. I haven't used it in the current session. So as you know, with the plans on Claude, it updates every, I think it's 4 or 5 hours. They kind of change it around, and obviously token usage is dependent on the model that you are running and what kind of process they have right now on Anthropic. It does change from time to time. So you can see your current session here. So you might be on 22%, 87% or something, depending on your usage within that session. Again, a session is the current 4 or 5 hour limit. Once you start using that, your percentage will increase. Then the same with weekly, as it's the start of a new week. Here, as I'm showing you this, I have 0% on my weekly as well. Additional features, if you're doing any kind of routine runs, as they call them, right here, you can see some more information about routine runs there. I apparently have 5 possible runs, and I've used 0 right there. And then for usage credits, if you want to see that, if you're adding, what you can do is you can set and adjust the limit right here. So this is the monthly spend limit that I allow on my account. That's the current balance. And then this is what I've spent in that time. So essentially you can turn on usage, which I've done in the past. You can buy credits and you can use extra tokens beyond just what your limit indicates. So for instance, you might run out during the current session, but you really need to get something done on a project, for example. You can then add some extra money here. Obviously you're paying Anthropic a bit more, and then you will be able to use your usage there. And you can adjust the limit just by hitting that. I have it set on 50. For whatever reason, that might even be the default, but you'll turn it on down here. So I've got auto reload, and I actually have, well, I have the usage credits on even here, I should say. So you can turn it off and on there. And then that's just the auto reload, which most people won't need to use. So that was a short video on usage in Claude, on Anthropic's Claude even. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.